right place because I'm getting all these hotels mixed up.
The Express?
Yes, Holiday. I think there's free breakfast, but we pay 25 for parking. I wrote it down on my computer, but I don't remember off the top of my head. Anyway, I think we're going to the right place anyway, so we'll figure it out. But yeah, hopefully we get an upgrade. So we have arrived. I think we're at this place.
Your destination is on the right.
Yep. I'll go in and check in. That's the brand new hotel.
Often pick up late. We're on level 4.
Yeah. What's level 5? Nothing. So we're on the top floor.
Level 4 is the top floor here.
Yeah. The very, very end. And that could be a view potentially. It's not a... This is an interesting bath.
Got a good room.
There's no door to the bathroom. Is there? Hi. We just got the holiday. What is it? Holiday Inn and Suite
Holiday Inn Express, I think, is what it actually was.
in Queenstown. So we come in. We have this little area with a hairdryer. Come over. Little closet area. It has a laundry bag and a flashlight. As soon as you pick it out, it lights up. That's pretty cool. An ironing board. And a little tiny mini fridge.
Mini fridge.
Tea kettle, some tea, mugs, a safe,
Mm-hmm.
and then a big mirror right here.
A Lanka mirror.
And then over here
A bathroom.
is the bathroom. So we were kind of
We
wondering.
were confused. This looks like it doesn't have a door.
So here's the toilet, and there's no door. And right here we have some hand and body cleanser, body balm, cups, tissues, towels, and whatnot in the sink. But we're like, where's the door? And it's like the shower door.
The shower door is what
Yeah.
does it.
So here's the shower door. And it's like a frosted glass. And the shower's right here. And over here there's hand and body cleanser, hair wash, and conditioner by that. And then it's like, there you go. Little weird. But here's our junk. And we have a little bed. And the outlets have USB plugins there as well. And then right here we have a desk, a TV, and our view. We have the corner room, which is kind of cool. So we pretty much have like a view of the mountains from here. Like, and then the lake over there. And we have another window here. And all these little windows are like a bay window. You can just lay on it.
Just lay on the corner window seat.
With the pillows.
You could. You could.
Anyway, what do you think of this room?
It's a nice room.
You like it?
It's a corner room. It's pretty cool. I've never had... I
Like,
don't think I've ever been in a corner room in a hotel where we've got like a corner window.
yeah.
Which that's cool. And it opens up, we can see the lake
Mm-hmm.
in Queenstown. And
The bathroom's a little weird.
the bathroom's a little weird, but that's
Yeah.
okay.
Just woke up. Gonna get breakfast because we're starving. So for breakfast, we have some juices, an assortment of muesli and granola, as well as some milk, and I'm not sure what that is. And we have some yogurt, some toppings, apples, some condiments with some really awesome chili flakes, as well as eggs, bacon, and some gross looking baked beans. As you can tell, that's not my favorite. And we have some bread, as well as some spreads and some croissant. So there we go. That's breakfast at the Holiday Inn. So we checked out and I'm walking outside and saying my last goodbye. because we're moving to another hotel.